English you can live in. File guard. I check the file's shared settings. Who can edit, view, or make things. Links expire. Password set. I control access. Avoid regret. Apps show who last touched the sheet. Changes tracked. No one cheats. Comments pop for questions or tips. I approve or deny access flips. Permissions keep my work secure. Digital guards make it pure. Sharing safely is always key. I manage files responsibly. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.